Welcome to Car Industry, where today we dive deep into the upcoming legend, the Ferrari F80. F80 represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's vision for the modern era. Hypercar that fuses race-bred technology with futuristic design. It's the spiritual successor to the LaFerrari, one of the most iconic cars of the last decade, but with even more advanced performance and efficiency. The F80 takes everything Ferrari has learned on the track, from Formula One hybrid systems to carbon fiber chassis innovations, and pushes it to the absolute limit. At first glance, the 2026 F80 looks like something out of science fiction. Its sculpted body cuts through the air like a blade, featuring ultra-aggressive aerodynamics with active flaps, a low-slung stance, and flowing lines that seem alive. Ferrari engineers have reimagined every surface for optimal airflow, from the sharp front splitter to the massive rear diffuser and adjustable wing. The entire car is built from next-generation carbon fiber, making it incredibly light while maintaining exceptional rigidity. Under the hood, or rather, behind the driver, sits a hybrid powertrain that defines Ferrari's future. Reports suggest a twin-turbocharged V8 paired with an electric motor producing over 1,200 horsepower combined. That's right. More than 1,000 horses unleashed through Ferrari's state-of-the-art all-wheel drive system. The F80 is expected to hit 0 to 60 mph in under 2 seconds and reach a top speed north of 250 mph. These numbers don't just challenge hypercars, they redefine what's possible for road-legal performance machines. Inside, the Ferrari F80 continues to embrace the blend of luxury and motorsport DNA. The cockpit is designed purely for the driver, minimalist, futuristic, and loaded with technology. There's a yoke-style steering wheel inspired by Formula One, a fully digital display that adapts to driving modes, and lightweight carbon fiber bucket seats designed for extreme comfort and precision. Even with all the cutting-edge materials, the F80 remains unmistakably Ferrari. Every stitch, every curve, every button crafted with passion. But what truly makes the F80 special isn't just its numbers, it's the emotion. Ferrari has always believed that a car should stir the soul, not just dominate the stopwatch. With its hybrid system, the F80 will offer an instant electric boost for acceleration, yet still deliver the spine-tingling roar of a Ferrari engine when the turbos spool up. It's that blend of old-school excitement and futuristic innovation that makes this car a true masterpiece. Of course, with exclusivity comes rarity. The 2026 Ferrari F80 will likely have a production run of just a few hundred units, each costing several $1 million. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a car, it's a symbol of ultimate performance and design evolution. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just the next step in Ferrari's history, it's a leap into the future of supercars. It proves that even in a hybrid, tech-driven era, passion and power can still live in perfect harmony. For Ferrari, it's not about following trends, it's about setting them. Thanks for watching Car Industry. If you love fast cars, futuristic engineering, and the sound of Italian perfection, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more automotive legends. The Ferrari F80, the future of speed, has arrived.